This video is requested by Jules the Kung Fu Panda fan 2005.
Hi, I'm Ronald. And today I'm going to spam Thomas and Friends episodes, the ones from the Nitrogen era and seasons 13 to 16, and replace them with Saturday Night Live episodes. Ha 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 ha.
Thomas and the Pigs. There are lots and lots of farms on the island of Sodor. There are farms with sheep. There are farms with cows.
Hey guys, the brand new Afghan Mystery Plush collection has arrived. Get ready because the Dragon Worlds are coming to life.
Along the tracks to the rescue.
Blue engine in trouble. I'm racing to you. I'll find you. I'll save you. Your troubles are through.
Gordon was at Marin Station. Den was there picking up freight. Gordon was picking up Sir Topham Hatt, Lady Hat, and Dowager Hat in the express. Gordon felt grand. Flynn saw Gordon. Flynn stopped sharply.
Gordon, the blue engine. Don't worry, Gordon. Your troubles are through. Fiery Flynn to the rescue. I've come to save you.
Gordon grumped.
You've come to what?
Water whooshed over Gordon's express carriages. Lady and Dowager Hat were surprised.
Fiddlesticks and feathers! Hold on to your hats!
Sir Topham Hatt walked out from behind Gordon. Water had splashed all over him.
Flynn, what are you doing?
I was saving Gordon.
Gordon grunted.
Gordon doesn't need saving.
Flynn froze.
You're not on fire, Gordon?
No, I'm not. But I'm wet through.
Flynn felt silly. Den giggled.
Fiery Flynn fudges it. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, Gordon. There must be...
Hola, soy Dora. And
Thomas toots the crows. It was planting time on the island of Sodor. The engines puffed and chuffed as the farmers ploughed their fields and planted their seeds. One morning, Thomas puffed to Farmer McColl's farm pulling flatbeds of straw.
hola.
It's time to get tiny. A pinch on my left, pinch on my right.
Don't bother Victor. In the hills of Sodor, the narrow-gauge engines puff and chuff their hardest. Sometimes they chuff too hard. And then there's trouble. One morning, Peter Sam puffed into the...
Now time to replace these with SNL episodes. Ha 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 ha.
Hi, I'm Glenn Powell, and I'll be hosting SNL this week with Olivia Dean.
Well, well, well.
If it isn't a couple of first-timers.
Fresh fish.
You know how we treat your kind around these parts?
Around these parts?
You better buckle up, because you're in for a world of dance.
Cool.
So, what are you into?
Hi, I'm Glenn.
Don't go!
I got to. It's time to screen for colon cancer.
Oh 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 oh. Ronald. How dare you spam Thomas and Friends episodes, the ones from the Nitrogen Era seasons 13 to 16, and replace them with Saturday Night Live episodes. Even the person tries to play an SNL episode. And there was a freaking ad. That's it. You are grounded until 2026. Go to your room now.
Va 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 va. Va 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 va. Va 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 va.